Water. Such an important compound to human nature. 75% of the world is filled with water. 75% of our body contents are water, yet we seem to misuse it. We're sophisticated, having about 20 liters of water each day delivered to us, but do you know how many impoverished villages and countries that are out there that do not receive the same amount of water as us? There are so many people out there dying of diseases such as cholera and other waterborne diseases. It's unimaginable, and the basic necessity of life, water, so many people are failing to get. We want to fix that. We want to provide a safe alternative where the people can actually get what they want. So cheap and inexpensive sand filter is what we're going for. But how do we make it? How are we sure that it's not going to be as expensive as the big machinery and equipment used out there? We're going to use commonly found material all around us to make our filter. Initially, we're going to pass the water through layers of sand and pebbles. This will filter out the larger, insoluble impurities. But that doesn't give us the clean water. We still have the chlorinate present inside the water. We have the different salts and dissolved impurities, and we also have microorganisms. That's why we have activated carbon to use. Activated carbon is so important in filtering water. By heating probably coconut shells, we can obtain charcoal, but from there, heating that charcoal to really high temperatures would get us activated carbon. The activated carbon has pores present inside of them such that they can adsorb all the taste and the odor from the water, giving the clean and pure water that we need. Finally, we have the dissolved salts and the microorganisms inside the water. How do we filter this out? There are two methods we could use to filter out these substances. Whisking tubing. Using whisking tubing is like a reverse osmosis filter, except it's much cheaper to use and it gets the same job done. We could also use a simple distillation method, something we've learned back in grade 6 or 7, distillating to separate the water from its respective salts and bacteria and other impurities. Either of these methods would work, and at the end, we're going to obtain the same result. Clean water for the impoverished countries.